Hey, what's up, guys? In this video, we're going to be talking about creating a Mailerlite account and how all that works. So what we're going to do is we're going to just go over to Mailerlite.com. And as soon as you get over to this page, you'll be brought to this page where you can sign up for free, and you do get a free 14-day trial to try the premium features. And you can also request a demo. You won't need a demo because I'm going to pretty much cover everything that you need to get started and start sending out emails. And by the way, we will have a link for you either like below this video, on the side of the video, above this video, on this side of the video, maybe in this video, maybe hovering on this video. I don't know where it's going to be. But anyways, we'd appreciate it if you just go ahead and sign up through that link. Full disclosure, we will get an affiliate commission off of it, but I figure, all the hard work that we put into this stuff here to provide you some pretty good content, it's worth it in your adventure of self-publishing. So that will be, like I said, below, above, to the side, somewhere. Anyways, your next step would be to go ahead and just sign up, okay? So as soon as you hit sign up, you'll be brought over to this page. It'll say company or organization. You can just type something random for now. This is something that can change. And also, this is one thing I love about Mailerlite also, is that they stand behind their product so much and feel so great about it that you can get signed up with no credit card on file. Typically you would have to put one on file in order to sign up for any trial, so that way they can bill you after. But that's not the way it works. As you can see here in their forever free plan, you get a 14 free day trials if you had premium membership, access to everything: automation, landing pages, advanced segmentation, etc. Up to 1,000 subscribers that you can actually hold on their servers. Out of those 1,000 subscribers, up to 12,000 emails that you can send per month. 24-hour customer support via email. And this is actually, I don't know if it's over email or over chat, but I chat with them on the platform, and we may see that when we get into there. And of course, you can upgrade all the time, but the customer support is literally flawless. So I'm going to just call this Jacob Walter Romance. That's not imported right now. This is literally like what they will see when, what am I saying? This is literally what they will see when you send an email out, like at the bottom of the email. Okay? So let's add Jacob Water, 1234 at gmail.com. Put in a password, create the account. We're good to go, baby. Alright, so it may ask to verify this or something along those lines. By the way, I'm putting in this email to sign up. It's okay to sign up with that email, but it's not okay to send emails from it. So I can't actually send emails unless I have a professional email. The easiest way to get a professional email is to first secure a domain. So whatever your pen name is, in my case, in this example, my pen name is Jacob Walter. So maybe I would want something like this, Jacob Walter Romance. It sounds like it's a pretty good fit. So I'm going to go ahead and hit that magnifying glass, and boom, voila. It's available for just $11.99 a year. That is like extremely cheap to secure what we would call digital real estate. This may not look like a lot on the screen, like just this word up here, but this all goes into your branding at the end of the day. So after you secure this right here, what we do is we go over to Google, and you can get a professional email on here. I haven't done it on here. You can contact GoDaddy's customer support and see what that looks like. But what we do is we get the domain, and then we go to Gmail professional email. I think these are like $7 to $14 a month, something along those lines. And then what you do is just click right here, and then you can get started. So you get started, and then you can start creating your professional email. So you can get a custom email, so it can say like contact at jacobwalterromance.com or support at jacobwalterromance.com, whatever you want it to be. You can check out their pricing plans, things like that. Like I said, it's actually lower than what I said. I said 7 to 14, but it's actually 6 to 12 bucks. So super good for the value. Anyways, coming back over here, just going over some of the basic functionality of Mailerlite is this simple. Campaigns. If we click on campaigns, this is where you're going to see all the campaigns that you have created, any that are anything that you have sent out, a live broadcast, if you sent a new release out, a giveaway, a cover reveal, whatever email, any email that you send out, it will pull up here. These are entitled your campaigns. Subscribers. Your subscribers will pop up over here, so you can see I'm the only person subscribed to my email list right now. If you click on groups, this is like the actual name for your email list, so that name that we created in the beginning for the name of the business. Jacob Walter Romance. If you wanted to, you could come in here and rename it and completely change it to like whatever you want to, like I said before. We'll go ahead and click rename. We're good to go. Or cancel, whatever. You can ignore this stuff. This is just showing you like the different fields. Stats, these are some of your statistics based on the subscribers that you have. So average, open rate, click rate, average subscribe rate and unsubscribe rate for your email list. This is going to be really good, so it's going to give you a good idea of who should be on your email list, who shouldn't be on your email list. Okay? So clean up inactive subscribers. You can come over here and you can clean up some of the subscribers. Inactive subscribers are those who've been on your list for more than 6 months and then open any emails that you've sent. I'm not sure if you can edit this, like what am I trying to say? Like segment it down to like not so far out 6 months, because if you're just doing this, you want to clean it up like after a month or two. You know what I mean? So that's something we'll have to look into, but we'll mention that in the comments or in the group or whatever the case may be. I'm sure they have it somewhere on here. I just don't know where it is right this moment. So other than that, yeah, this is the subscribers portion. This is where you're probably going to be spending most of your time looking at the actual group. So you can click on here and look at the statistics and look at each statistic for each subscriber that you have on here. I rarely spend time inside of here doing this stuff, but so you'll spend most of your time more likely on the other page, just with all the subscribers, so you can get a wide, or you can get a full picture, is what I'm trying to say, of everybody. Okay? So forms, this is where you can create some landing pages. So you can come up in here, you can create a pop-up. I'm going to just name it Jacob Walter Romance. And the form is basically so that you can collect subscribers as well. Okay. So go ahead and we'll select the group where these people will be subscribed to. So when they sign up, they will be imported to that group where we were unsubscribers. So save and continue. And then we don't have any saved templates, but they have some here that we can use. So we'll just use something basic like, do they have more? No? All right, just use this one. I think there's more if you upgrade, I think. But yeah, you can come in here, play around with this. You have different options. You have your pop-up page here where they'll actually sign up, and then your thank you page or your success page, whatever you want to call it. And then you can just hit next. Customize it however you want to customize it. Come on. Then you have some other options back here. You can go through this and then just save and continue. Yep. And then just ignore all this stuff, just next. And you're good to go. Okay? So you can preview it if you want to. Why isn't it letting me? You can't enable double opt-in while your account is not approved. So yeah, so the account has to be approved. So some stuff will, like while we're doing this video, won't be approved because, we have to approve the account. You have to do all this stuff, request approval, and then they have to approve it. But we're just going over the functionality. There's tons of tutorials and things like that. We're just going over some of the basics, and then, in other trainings we'll go a little bit more deeper. But this is just to get you started. So we went over campaigns, subscribers, and forms. Let's go over sites. This is basically like the same thing. So another sign-up form. You can create a contact form and surveys with this stuff. This is basically like a landing page. So we'll go in here. We'll just type in Jacob Walter Romance. Hit continue. Select the group where they'll be subscribed to. Okay. And then this is going to load up for us. And then boom, we'll be able to come over here and then choose from a bunch of different templates. I accidentally hit the back button. Choose from a bunch of different templates that we can use. So it just depends on what you're doing, It depends on whatever you want to do. So I'm going to just select this one, book. People can come check out my book since we're talking about books. Cool little landing page. You could use this to like even promote your books. Get people to sign up for your free book. I don't know why this is moving so slow. Oh, here we go. Come on, Brave. You're supposed to be awesome. Brave is a really good browser. Not to make like recommendations, but it really is a really good browser. It's crypto ran. Alright, so you can see basically, I mean, you get the gist. Like I said, I'm just showing you the stuff to get you started. You can come in here, customize this, remove this if you don't want it there. If you do want it there, you can put that thing back there by saving and then just dragging the content block over here. Everything is drag and drop, so it's super easy to navigate, edit things. If you want the font size bigger, you can make it bigger. If you want it a different color, you can make it a different color. They just make it super easy for you. It's literally dummy proof. And we're no dummies, but you can put pictures over here and upload pictures, carousels. You can do all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to just save this as a draft. Okay. And then you'll be brought here where you can grab this URL, and basically, like I said, you have to upgrade the plan. It's not available in the free plan. So once you upgrade, you'll be good, and then you can add a custom domain here and then have it feed off of that. So yeah. And then down here you can just do some extra stuff, nothing that's super important right this moment. Alright, and then last but not least, over here in automation, you can come over here and create for your very first automated flow. So basically, emails that go out automatically. So let's create our first flow. So just go in here. We're just going to get you started. We're going to name the workflow. So the workflow can be named Jacob Walder Romance workflow. Sure. It can be anything. It really doesn't matter what it is. It's just for you to identify it. The workflow trigger, you have a bunch of different triggers. So one trigger could be when people join a group. It could be when someone completes a form, when a subscriber clicks a link, whatever the case may be. Ours is going to be when a subscriber joins a group. We want these emails to trigger every time someone joins our email list. So once you do that, it's going to ask you what group. We only have one group created, so what we'll do is we'll choose Jacob Walder Romance. Alright, and we won't check this. Repeat workflow for subscribers who rejoin the same group. In other words, they're going to receive these same emails again. We don't want to do that because they've already received this and we don't want to taint that relationship. So we'll just go ahead and hit save. And then what we'll do is we will click the plus button and we will go to email. Okay? So as soon as they join the group, bam, they're going to receive this email. The subject line can be anything you want. I mean, where is it? I think it's inside of one of the courses. We have training, email marketing training, where we talk about all this, like the automation and everything. So if you're inside of the course, go to the email marketing portion and check that out. So I'm going to just put welcome to my newsletter. Okay, who is it from? Jacob Walder. This is the name that's going to show up in the email, and this is also going to be the email that's going to show up. Once again, you have to verify this emails, and it's not recommended. They're going to suggest that you don't use that right there. So they're going to want you to use a professional email. Let me see, but they're going to make you verify all of this. So next steps is you can click in here or here to start designing the email. Actually, JK, you have to hit design email. And then they'll bring you into here. You can create new, go to their template gallery, or use recent emails. I personally like to just create my own stuff. But you can use templates, that's totally fine, and just build your inspiration off of that right there. And there's so many customizable options. Like you can put this over here. You can have a whole bar where you can send people to different places, link them up, save. There's just so many options. I freaking love these people. Everything is drag and drop. It's so simple. Like 2 pictures, 3 pictures. It speaks to you. It's so easy. It works for all industries. But mainly you're going to be using it, of course, for yourself. So yeah, you can come in here, just click it, edit the pictures, switch the pictures out. You can do all kinds of stuff, okay? So you'll save it. As soon as you save it, You'll click done editing and you're done that email. If you wanted to create another email, you can do so. And if you don't want them to get it back to back, so you don't feel like you're annoying your annoying your subscriber like some people feel, then you can do this right here. So what we'll do is we will click here, add another email. So you'll pretty much do the same thing, it'll just be different content. But in between, you'll add a delay. So you'll delay this like 1 or 2 days, however you want to do it. You can do 21 days if you want. But after they receive this first email, they would then go into a queue, and then they'll wait 2 days, and then they'll receive this email, and you can just keep doing this over and over again, just setting it up this way, putting them delays in there, making sure they're not being bombarded with emails. And then just keep this thing going. You can make as many emails as you want. There's no cap to this. So you can see how powerful email is. I mean, you're just setting this up automatically. Your focus will be just putting people into this automated sequence and then just funneling them into here to purchase your books, audiobooks, whatever the case may be. In this case, audiobooks, okay? So yeah, that is pretty much Mailerlite. Let me just back out of here just to see if there's anything else that I want to cover. Going over to the dashboard. No, not really. Just make sure you upgrade and verify your account and all that good stuff. I don't really need to cover that. You can come over here. I'll do it anyway. I'll come over here to complete profile. You can put your name and all that good stuff inside of here. Answer all this different stuff. And then come over here to request approval. And this is why you're going to need that domain. So you're going to have to submit your domain. You would like to verify your website. And let me see. It's better if you just get the domain. It's just going to save you a lot of trouble. So get the domain, submit it here, hit next, and then you wait for your verification. Once they approve you, you can pretty much do anything and everything on the platform. So it's an awesome platform. Go ahead and get signed up, guys. And that's about it. And one last thing, sorry, there are some different settings over here as well. Like integrations, file manager templates. You probably won't ever come over here. You may come over to integrations like a few times if you want to integrate something or if you need the API for this account. By the way, you don't want to show this to anybody. This is just a demo account, so I really don't care if I'm showing this. I can just close this account down. There's nothing that I'm doing with this, but typically you don't want to reveal that information to anybody, so don't do it. Anyways, that is it for this video. We will see you in the next one.